Good afternoon. So we are back with our next session of MS Office. In the last session, we have already completed with MS Word, Microsoft Word, that has already been done. So today we are going to start with PowerPoint. Now, what is PowerPoint and why do we use PowerPoint presentation? What's the use of that? How do we make presentation? Where do we use presentation? So we are going to discuss about Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. In short, we call it as PPT. Now, where do we use? Where do we use these PPTs? Let me just share my screen. Okay, so it works in the same manner, same way as the other things were working. Like in MS Word, what did we do? We started with opening the document, same way. PowerPoint also will have to search PowerPoint, we'll click on PowerPoint and we will get this window. Now here in this window, we will get many different templates and themes which we can use to make our presentation. Now, what are the different themes we have? So different themes as in blank presentation, classic, bold, product summary, rainbow. There are a lot of presentation. If you want to go with educational based presentation, you can click on education. You can have different themes. Here you will get all the themes. Now, as soon as you select this, you will get some different PPTs. Let's select some. Let's select one from education. Okay, let's go with school designing. So now when you'll open this, you will see that what type of presentation you will have. So in background, you will have this image where the school science mesh design is written. Here you can write your own content. So yeah, so it has few more slides designed, like second slide where a lot of pictures are there and then one part content is written. Then you have a pictorial, smart art used, and then content is written. Pictures and this chart, a curriculum chart has been designed. So these all the pictures, these all the slides you will get when you select this presentation. What you have to do, you have to select the theme, which theme you want, and you have to click on create. Now, while clicking, as soon as I click on create, the Microsoft PowerPoint will open and see this is how the presentation looks like. This is my presentation. Here I can edit the content, I can delete it, I can write whatever I want to write in this. Same way, you can select any type of presentation. If you don't want to select these type of presentation, you can simply go to file, I'll go to new and I can go to blank presentation. Let's see what we get when we click on blank presentation. If we click on blank presentation, we will have this type of entire blank presentation. Now, with this presentation, let's check with the first thing. So above menu are all same: file, home, insert, design, transition, animation. Transition and animation are two new things which are added in this. So transition, once we'll write the content, then we'll use this transition, animations, slideshow, and review. Review is same as what we did in our MS Word. So today let's see the first option, that is file. In file, we again have the same set of options which we have done in Word. The first is information about your PowerPoint document. So that is protect presentation. It's going to protect. If you want to protect your presentation, if you want to add some password to that presentation, you can go ahead with the protect presentation. Second is check for issues. Inspect presentation. Now in inspecting presentation, basically what you're doing is before publishing this file, you just inspect, you just check if there is any issue, how's the document, name of the author, document properties, all these things you can check for issue and manage presentation. To manage presentation, if there are any unsaved presentation, all of a sudden there was a power breakup, your laptop got turned off, you can go with manage presentation. These three options we get when we go for information. Second is the new option. If you want to design a new presentation, if you want to create a new presentation, if you click on new, you will have the same window open where you will have the suggested themes and templates, like themes like presentation, theme, educational, chart, diagrams, business, infographic. From any of these available option, you can select one. You can select one as and you can go for presentation. You will have different options available. But yes, this will only work when you will have your internet connection. If the internet connection is not there, this thing is not going to work. So the presentation will show you this. Second is themes, like check the themes, which themes we have, the color options. And this, the graphics, the font size, font type, the style, all these things are already set. Simply you have to select one and you have to go ahead with that. Okay. Next comes is after theme, it is education. Now, if we go to education, we will have again different templates like modern, bold, sophisticated, some pictures are inserted, different things are being set in this. So you can go for this. So here, elementary school presentation, it's already been designed. What things you can change in this? You can change the content, you can change the image. There's formatting, fonting, the picture setting, all these things remains same. Next comes is chart. We have some presentation where we have a lot of chart options. So these are the chart presentation. Then you have some diagram presentation. These are the diagrams. See the diagrams. Spring diagram has already been made. Double helix diagram is made. Conveyor belt block graph that has been made. You can use this. Even you can merge two different type of presentation also. How you can merge that? Open both the presentation. Select one presentation, select one slide from the other presentation and paste special in that same slide where in the same presentation where you want to insert that new slide. For example, let me open this graphic. I'll open this. I have created this. This has been created. Now, if I want to select this, I'll simply click on this. I'll click Control C. Let us copy this thing. I'll go to my older presentation. I'll bring my cursor here. I'll select this option, keep source formatting. If you want exact same slide should get copied over here, you will have to go with keep source formatting. Like in paste option, we basically have three different options. The first option is use destination theme, that is here on this place, which theme is being used, same theme will be used. Second option is keep source formatting. You want to keep the slide as it is, how it was shown in other slide. There should be no source formatting. It should be kept as it is. So you can go with keep source formatting. Next is picture. If I click on picture, that slide, the complete slide has been changed to a picture and that picture has been inserted over here. So this has changed to picture. Now, if I go with the first option that says, okay, I'll have to again select this slide. I'll go with first option paste. So it will come. See, here it is different. There the color is different. The color is different, right? But if I keep source formatting, you will see there is no change in this picture and in this picture. Both the pictures have same color combination. This can only be done when you select keep source formatting on and then you paste the picture. Okay, so we have created a new file. We were discussing about the different types. Let's again go to file menu. Let's go to new. Yes, now business. We have one more option, one more template available. That is the business template. So in business template, in this template, what we can see presentation title, presentation style, add title. These are the different presentation styles which you can use. So if I go with this type of presentation where it says creative red presentation, see what all images will be having. I'll be having one this section, blank section, a complete red with a circle where you can insert the picture, a picture on the side, a picture in the center, a picture on right left side corner. These are all things you will get if you select this type. You can create, you can delete the entire content, you can remove the picture, you can insert your picture, you can write your own content, but the formatting will remain same. There's going to be no change in the formatting. So yes, let's go back to this. Now, in file, the third option is open. If I click on open, I'll get all the presentations, all the PPT presentation which I have made and saved. So I'll get all of them. Yeah, I'll get all of them. If I want to check the folders, in which all folders my presentation are there, I'll get the name of the folders as well. So accordingly, you can decide what you want to check. You want to check the folders or you want to check the presentations. You can click on presentations for checking the name of the presentation and you can open it from here. If you click on this, the presentation will get open. Like for example, if I click on motivation, my presentation is open. Next feature, save. Save, it's same as MS Word, that if you click on save your document, your presentation will get saved with the addition. But if you are saving your document for the first time, you have to go with save as, or even if you click on save, you will get a window open where you will have to write the name. So basically save as will give you a new window if you are saving the presentation for the first time. If you want to create a duplicate copy of your presentation, there are two options. First option is you can simply go to the file location, you can select that file and you can do Control P, paste, a new copy will be made. But if you want to make some changes, for example, you have opened this presentation. This presentation you have saved by the name of motivation. And second, one more presentation you are making, that is motivation and leadership. So in motivation and leadership, how it works is motivation and leadership, same content is there for motivation and leadership also. Some slides are same. You can make a copy of motivation. You can go to save as, same presentation, go to save as, save it as motivation and leadership. So same file, same content, you will have two different names, that is motivation and leadership. But if you just want, you have made some changes and you want to edit that thing, you want to save those changes you have made and the file is already saved, you can go with save option. Then come print. In print, we have all these options, that is, you can go with print, how many copies you want. You can go select the printer. If you have a lot of printers available, select any one printer. You can add a printer if you want to add any new printer. Then you have to select print all sides. What you want? You want to print all sides? Print selection, only print the selected slide. The slides which are selected, you want to print those slides only. You want to print the current slide only, or you want to print the slide from slide number 5 to slide number 8. So all these things are available. So basically in print slides, you have 4 different options. You want to print all slides, you want to print current slide, you want to print the selected slide, or you want to print the slide from a specific range. Then comes full page slide. How you want? It should be full page slide, it should be full page and note page, bottom outlining should be there, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. All these are the different ways by which you can get the slides printed. Select any one. Then next option, collated. Collated means how you want. If you are making the copies, you want it to be 1 to 3 or you want it 111. For example, you are making 3 copies of the same presentation. You want complete presentation to come in once, then the next presentation, then the next presentation, or you want that first page of all three present, all first page, copy of first page, all 3 copies of first page should come first, then 3 copies of second page, then 3 copies of fourth page. That way you want. So however you want, you can select. One is collated, that is 1, 2, 3 in the sequence. First copy is ready, then starts the second copy. Second is uncollated, that means first page number of copies will come, then second page number of copies will come, then third page number of copies will come. Color. You want to give any color? If it's a color printer, you can go with color option and you can select any one color which you want to give to your presentation. Next comes share. Where you want to share? You want to share it to people, you want to email it, you want to present it online, or you want to save it to the cloud. You can select any one option from the available 4 options. Export. How you want to export it? You want to create PDF, you want to create a video, you want to package presentation for CDs, you want to create handouts, you want to change the file type, create PDF, whatever you want to do, you can go ahead with that. Now, last option is close. Closing all the things. If you want to end the presentation right now, I don't want to end it. And after that, it's account. If I click on account, my account will come. If you want to add your account, you can go ahead. Your feedback and the options. These are the options. What you want: proofing, save, language. If you want to change the language, the options will come here. This was all about the file menu. On top, you will see there are again 4 options. If you want to insert a new slide, see, a new slide got inserted. The new slide got inserted. If you want to repeat new slide, you can go for repeat option. If you want to undo the slide, you can use the undo option, and this is the save option, that is Control S. Now here you will see a bottom down arrow. Bottom down arrow means from the slide with slide design you want: blank, content with caption, picture with caption, title, comparison, to content, title and content, section header, whatever you want, choose it from here. Next, there is one more arrow. If you click on this, you will get all these options here. That is new, open, save, email, quick print, spelling, undo, redo. Because see, if I want to have these options over here, what I can do, I can simply go with new. See, I'll get the new option. I want open option. I want start from beginning option. I want show below ribbon. See, now what I have done, the things which were shown above ribbon, this is known as ribbon. We have discussed about this in the last session, that what is ribbon? Ribbon is this thing where you get all the options, the font, clipboard, size, paragraph, the quick formatting option where you get, that is known as ribbon. Now you want this option to come below the ribbon, it has shifted down, but I don't want it to come below the ribbon. I want it on the top only. I'll click on show above the ribbon, it has come here. If you want any shortcut for you to easily check that thing, like spelling, I want to go with spelling check, I can use this thing. It will simply check, it will say spelling check is complete. So I can use all these options. As of now, I don't want this new, I'll remove. Open, I don't want remove. I don't want start from beginning, remove. I don't want spelling check, remove. I just want these 4 options. Those are there. Now comes here on top, you can see presentation C, presentation 3 PowerPoint. That is the name of the presentation. If you will edit it, if you will give it a new name, then you will see a new name over here saying presentation, whatever presentation it is. Then comes here, what's this? Ribbon display option. Do you want to display the ribbon or not? If you want to hide the ribbon got hidden. If you want to You will click on this. You want to show tabs and commands, we'll go with show tabs and command. So you'll be selecting, you'll be checking it from here. This is minimize button, this is making the window short, and this is the close button. Coming to the menu, this is the home menu, the first menu, that is home. Now in paste option, we'll first discuss about paste. There are three options available in paste. That is paste, use destination theme. What is destination theme? Whatever theme is there in your current presentation, every content, every other presentation will be changed to that theme only. For example, I have this presentation, I am copying this. Okay, I'll copy this and I want to paste it here. Now, if I go with the first option that says use destination theme, if I click on use destination theme, see, all the background formatting is removed. In this destination theme, there is no background, nothing. It's a plain white slide. So that has come over here. Now, if I go with the second option that says paste keep source formatting, so it will have the same slide which was there in the previous section. The same slide is going to come over here. Now, if I click on the third option saying paste picture. So see, the picture came over here. Now I can do one thing. I'll go to this slide. I'll select picture. So see, here I have got a picture. So same slide, I am using it in three different ways. I can use it by keeping the source formatting same. I can change the formatting and I can use that as a picture option also. Next comes is cut option. Cut means if you want to remove anything, if you want to add a news, if you want to delete anything, and if you want to paste it on a new location, you can go with the cut option. Copy means if you want to create a duplicate site, you can go with copy option. Format painter, it is same as going with the format option that says if you want to keep the source formatting, like here you have used some specific font style, font size. If you want to keep that, you can go with source formatting. We can go with format painter option. That is in the clipboard section. Next comes is slides. Now, what is slides? Yes, sorry, I just got disconnected. Yeah. So if we talk about the slides, we have first option, that is new slide. If you click on this bottom down arrow, if you want to insert the new slide, you just have to click on this bottom arrow. Now clicking on this bottom arrow, see a new window got open having all the different slide types like title slide, title and content slide, then title and content slide, then you have section header, then you have two contents, then you have comparison, title slide only, a blank slide only, comparison and caption slide, picture with caption. So you have all these different options available with you when you select the slide. You might see at the bottom we have one more mesh option. You know why we got this option, these slides option? Because you have used one slide which was having this formatting. Right? We have copied a slide from some other location, some other theme. So when we have copied that, we have got option for that slides also. Yeah, the options available for that slides as well. You can select from here also. Now, what's the use? Why these different slides are being given? Let's just insert each and every slide one by one and check. So if I go with the first slide, title slide, here you can see the title box is very big and very small boxes at the below, which says if you want to write any subtitle. For example, your title is motivation. Your subtitle is theories of motivation. That is the subtitle. The main title will come in later. So here, let's see. This comes motivation. The formatting, the everything has been decided for the slide. Right, that is already decided that what you have to do and how you have to do. Now, I have written motivation. Now, if I go to this block, I can write theory of motivation. Can you see the font size is very small? I didn't adjust it anything. I've simply inserted the slide from there and I have written the content. So this is how the font is already being done over here and we are simply writing the content. But yes, if you want, you can change that from font option also. It's not compulsory that it should be there. There cannot be any changes which you can make. No, you can go ahead with the changes also. Let's see the next type, that is the title and content. So if you insert this slide, you'll see there is a small box where you can write the title, and bottom there's a box. In that box, you can either insert a picture, you can write the content, you can insert a video, you can insert smart art. So all these options are given over here. Okay, you do not have to go to insert on top and then you have to put anything. You can click on this. For example, if I want to go with pictures, I'll click on this icon. I'll click on this icon. So when I have clicked on this icon, I'll see that box, my dialog box is open. I'll just go to the location where I have the pictures. So here I have few pictures. I'll go to this, I'll select the picture and I'll click on insert. Now when I have clicked on insert, you'll see that picture has come and the box is now not there. So that is how things work. That is how you can insert a picture without going to insert menu. Next. See, this is the same. As soon as the picture you'll insert, you'll get this format option, but we'll do this format option later. I'll just delete this picture as of now. The same way you can insert anything. You can insert a video, you can insert online video, you can insert smart art, you can insert chart, and you can even insert the table over here. Now I want something where I can put picture on one side and I can write content on one side and heading. One more heading also I want. So I can go with two content. Here, one content, one picture I can write, and here I can explain that thing. Here I can write the main content. But now if there is a difference, I want to work about difference. I want to talk about the difference. So how I can do? I have one more slide option for that. That is comparison. If I go for comparison, see, top heading, difference between motivation, this difference between need hierarchy theory and two-factor theory. That is a heading. In one, I can write need hierarchy theory. In second, I can write the two-factor theory, and I can go ahead with the difference. So these are the many different slide options which are available in PowerPoint for you. Now, next, you can use any of the slides. You can go for duplicate slide. For example, I want the same slide to be repeated. I can click on this. I'll get the one option is duplicate slide. I'll click on duplicate slide and I'll get this option. Now, after new slide, in slides, you have one more option, that is layout. What layout you want for your slide? Which type of layout you want? Title and caption, photo with caption, name card, photo name card. You can select any one. It is same as new slide, but here layouts are different. So if I go with comparison, the comparison came. Yes. Here. This is the slide I have selected. Oh, this slide is not right. Okay. There is one option. You can either delete this slide, you can insert the slide which you want. But why to do that? Go to layout and I want this one. So see, this one get changed. Layout of the slide got changed. You can go with the layout option if you want to change layout of any existing slide. Reset. Reset means What's the reset option used for? If I want to reset the position, the size, formatting of the slide, then I can go with the reset option. For example, if I go over here, if I click here, can you see the reset is done? Yes. The reset part is done. Yes. So we have resetted the slides. Now, next comes is the sections. Section means if I want to add any, see, I have selected this slide. I want to add a section. So a title section. Yes, this is the untitled section. I can simply click on this, and those all the slides, all these things will get into small. So what you can, this section option is used when, see, for example, these 3 slides are for motivation, for some specific topic. Let's give it module 1. Add section, write module 1, enter. Now, if I click on this, all these slides will go inside the 4 selected slides. I selected these 4 slides, these will go inside. This will go inside. So here I'll have the names. Now I can select which one I want. I want to go with module 1, I want to go with module 2. So I can categorize those things using this section option. Is this thing clear till here, 2 slides? If everything clear? No doubt if this thing is clear. So we'll start with the next session. That next topic of font, paragraph, and drawing in the next session of Microsoft Office. Still here, any doubts? No? Okay. Then we are good to wind up the session. We'll see you in the next session where we'll be discussing in detail about presentation, and I'll also teach you how to make an attractive presentation. We'll talk about that.